This video is a continuation to my previous video where we are going to further discuss some sums. See, the first question that we have for today is the length of the side of a square field is 160 centimeter. How much will it cost to fence the field at rupees 12 per meter? So, first of all, it is a square field. Square means all the four sides are equal. These, and these. All the four sides are equal. We have to find the cost to fence. Fence means to border. If this is a field, then if you want to put a border around it, then that is my fence. Okay, so for finding the fencing, the cost of fencing, we have to find the perimeter. So first, with the word fence, spot the word fence and understand that fence means you have to find out perimeter, and the shape of the field is square, so we have to use the formula of perimeter of a square. Now let's move on to the sum. We have to write side of a square is equal to 160 centimeter. So we have to find the perimeter of the square in order to find the cost of fencing. So perimeter of the square is equal to, if we know the formula, it is 4 into side. So the side is 160 centimeter. So it is basically 4 into 160 centimeter. So equal to 4 into 160 centimeter. We know that 16 into 4 is 64. So it will be 640 centimeter. Understand one thing, when we are finding the perimeter, then there will be only one unit, centimeter, meter, kilometer, whatever, as per the question. There will be nothing else, no centimeter square or cube, because 160 is being multiplied with 4. So there is only one unit that prevails, that is in centimeter. So this is my answer. Now we have to find out the cost to fence. So this is my perimeter. So cost of fencing. Before that, we will write the rate of fencing. That is a per meter cost. So rate of fencing is given as rupees 12 per meter. So it is rupees 12 per meter. So it's going to be 640 centimeter into rupees 12. So the unit will be in rupees because we are finding the cost. So it is 12 into 640. Let's calculate first. 640 we write only 64 and 12. 4 into 2 8, 6 2s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 6 1s are 6 and 7. So it is 8. 4 plus 2 6 and 7. So it is 768. We know if here it was 640, so there will be another 0, so the 0 will be inserted here as well. So the answer is rupees 7680. 7680. Right. Moving on to the next question. Arawati bought 2.350 liter milk at rupees 42 per liter. How much? It will be how much did the milk cost her? That is the total milk. So we know cost of 1 liter milk given as rupees 42, and we have to find out cost of 2.350 liter. We'll write one more statement, that is liters of milk bought equal to 2.350 liter. So we will simply multiply cost of 2.350 milk is equal to rupees 42, that is the cost of 1 liter milk, into the liters of milk purchased, that is 2.350. If we multiply it, let's do it. 2.35, let's omit the 0 for now, just multiply it with 42. We get 5 into 2 10, 3 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 2 into 2 4, then 4 5 is 20, 4 3 is 12 plus 2 14, 4 2 is 8 plus 1 9. Add, we get 0, we get 7, 4 plus 4 we get 8 and 9. We've got 9870. Now here it was 2.350, so we'll insert a 0 here. See the decimal place, there is 1 2 3 3 decimal places, because there are 3 numbers after the decimal point. So that is why here also, after the decimal point will be placed here just before 3 digits, that is 3 decimal place will be maintained here as well. So my answer becomes 2.350, right? Okay. And here we have to insert a 0 also. Why do we have to insert a 0 at this point? Because see, over here we have inserted 2.350, right? The 0 we have inserted later on. So that is why at the end we will also include the 0 over here. And that's why maintaining 3 decimal place, it will be 1 2 3. So the decimal point will be here at this point. Okay. So the answer becomes 98.700. That is 98.70, because obviously rupees, if you're writing anything in rupees, then after the decimal point there can be only possibly 2 digits. So use that common sense. We are going to write rupees 98.70, that is 70 paise. Moving on to the next question. Convert into kg and gram. Very simple, it's a mental math sum. Over here the number is given in kg and there is a decimal place, and we have to convert it into kg and gram. We know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. That means there will be 3 numbers before the decimal places as given. So simply what we are going to do is write the number before the decimal place as kg, that is 21 kg, and the number after the decimal point as gram. So it is 909 gram. Similarly, moving on to the next question, same thing. Just before the decimal place there is 45, so this becomes 45 kg, and after the decimal point there is 008. So if you write 008 gram, the 0 doesn't make sense, so you can write only 8 gram. Okay. Moving on to the next question, again same. Before the decimal place there is 27, so this becomes my kg, and after the decimal point we have got 026 gram. 026 gram actually means 26 grams, so we'll write only 26. Moving on to the next question. Abdul had 2.860 kg vegetables. He cooked 370 gram vegetables. So how much vegetable is left? Very simple. We have to subtract. So first we will write weight of vegetables bought. Abdul had is equal to 2.860 kg. Okay, and weight of vegetables used, he used, is equal to 370 gram. Therefore, weight of vegetables left. Simply we need to subtract. So for doing the subtraction, 2.860 we will write this way, and 370 gram, that is this part before the decimal place, as I tell you, this is gram and this is kg. So this is 370 gram will be written here. We will subtract. So 0, 4, 9.2. So my answer becomes, sorry, it will be 2, 9, and here it will be 4, right? Because 8 minus 7, and here it is 16. That's fine, right? So it's 2.490 kg. So we can write the answer here. 2.490 kg, or you can write it as 2 kg 490 gram, means the same thing. I suggest you to write in both the ways. Okay, once done with it, we'll move to the next question. Multiply 8.324 by 5. So let's do it. 8.324 with 5. So we get 4 into 5 20, 5 into 2 10, plus 2 12, 5 into 3 15, plus 1 16, and we get 5 into 8 40, plus 1 41. The decimal place, there is 3 decimal places, that is 3 digit after the decimal point. So we'll do the same thing, 3 decimal places here. So we'll insert a point right here. So my answer will be 41.620. That's it. Okay, now moving on to the next question, that is divide 48.080 kg by 8. So let's do it. 48.080 divided by 8. We know 6 into 8 is 48. Then there is a decimal point, so we'll shift it here. Then insert the 0. So 8 zeros are 0. Again next 8. We know it is 8 ones are 8. Again there is 0. So it is 8 zeros are 0. So my answer is 6.010 or 6.01, same thing. So this becomes my answer. Okay. Now moving on to the next question. Cost of 1 kg salt is 40 rupees. So we'll write cost of 1 kg salt. 1 kg salt is equal to rupees 40. Now we are asked to find out cost of 240 gram salt. So for that we have to convert 240 gram salt into kg first, because it is 240 gram and my price, the cost of 1 kg is given in rupees, but here rupees and it is cost of only 1 kg. So because there is a difference, here it is given in kg, cost in kg, and here we have to find the cost in grams. So we will convert this gram into kg for simplicity purpose. Okay, so 240 kg actually means 0.240 kg, right? 240 gram. So therefore we will actually multiply it with rupees 40, that is the cost of 1 kg, into the given question into gram, that is 0.240. Okay, so we'll simply multiply it. Zero 0.240 into 40, right? So right now let's multiply. 0 into 0 is 0, 0, 0. 4 zeros are 0, 4 fours are 16, 4 twos are 8, plus 1 9, and 0 into 0 is 0, right? So it's done. Let's add it. we get 00690. There are three decimal places, so insert point after three digits, right? So my answer becomes 9.600 or 9.60. Because you have to find the answer in cost, it is cost, so it will be definitely two decimal places, that is rupees 9 rupees 60 paise, right? 9.6. So it will be rupees 9.60. You need to use your common sense whenever we have to find out anything in rupees. There has to be two decimal places only, because see, in the question there is 9.600, but the last zero doesn't really make any sense. Okay, moving on to the next question. Convert 25 liter 129 ml into liter. Very simple. See, one part of the question is already given in liter, rest of the part we need to convert. So that is why we know that 1 ml is equal to 1000, 1 by 1000 liter. So therefore 25 liter 129 ml will be equal to, 25 will be whole number and 129 by 1000, right? Or you can simply write it in this manner, that 129 ml will be 129 by 1000 liter. So this is coming down to 0.129 liter, and the rest part is already given in liter. So that's why 25 liter 129 ml is equal to 25, that is already given in liter, plus 0.129 liter that we had converted, right? So we get 25.029 liter. That's it. Okay, moving on to the next question. Convert 2 liter 35 ml into ml. Very simple. Same thing, that is, we know 1 ml is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. So therefore 35 ml will be equal to 35 by 1000 liter, that is 0.035 liter, because there are three decimal places here because of the three zeros. Therefore 2 liter 35 ml is equal to, 2 liter is one whole number, plus 35 ml is written as 0.035 liter, that is equal to 2.035 liter. That's it. Moving on to the next question. We need to add 25 liter 276 ml and 15 liter 893 ml, right? So let's first write it liter. This side is liter and this side is ml. So it is 276 ml. We can draw a line over here to make it more simple. Now 15, and here we have got 893. Simply add. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. 1 moves here. 5 plus 5, 10 plus 1, 11. 2 plus 1 plus 1, that is 4. So it's coming down to 41 liter 169 ml. That's it. Moving on to the next question. We have to subtract 5 liter 305 ml from 8 liter 89 ml. Okay, so for this what we need to do is we have to subtract. So first liter here, we'll draw a line, ml this side. Okay, so we'll write, we have to subtract 5 liter from 8 8 liter 89 ml. So 8 liter 89 ml need to be written here. 89 actually means 0.89. 089. Why? Because ml, ml there is 1000 ml makes 1 liter. So there will be 3 places after that. Okay, 3 places in ml. Over here it's only given 2 numbers, 89. So 89 is actually 089 ml. Now here we have got 5 liter 305 ml. So subtract 5 liter 305 ml. Subtract 9 minus 5 is 4. 8 minus 0, 8. 0. So we'll take this from here. This becomes 7. This becomes 10. 10 minus 3 we get 7. 7 minus 5 is 2. So we get 2 liter 784 ml. So 2 liter 784 ml. That's it. Moving on to the next question, that is 1 liter 250 ml into 14. So let's do it. 1.250, that is we are converting 1 liter 250 ml into 1.250, that is in liter, into 14. We'll do it in simple manner. 4 into 0 is 0. 4 5s are 20. 4 into 2 8 plus 2 10. 4 into 1 4 plus 1 5. Cross 0. 5 1s are 5. 2 1s are 2. 1 1s are 1. Plus we get 0 0 5. 5 plus 2 7 and 1. This 3 decimal places, so inserted point, decimal point here. 3 decimal places, right? So my answer becomes 17 liter 500 ml. Make sure write the answer in the format the question has been given. The question is given in liter and milliliter, so your answer should also be in liter and milliliter rather than in decimal point. Okay, so keep that in mind. Moving on to the next question. Divide 7.030. So we're going to write 7.030 and we need to divide it by 3. Okay, this is in liter. Fine. Now let's do it. We're going to write here 3 into 2, 6, 1. Insert the decimal point here. Then again 0. 3 into 3, 9. 1. Then there is 13. 3 into 4 is 12. 1. Then 0. 3 into 3 is 9. Then again 1. Now see, over here it will continue this manner. The 1 is remaining here. Again if we write 10, this will continue. Again there will be 9 and this way it will continue. So it will basically become 2.343333. So for simple purpose, because there are so many 3's, we will only simply write 2.343, because there can be possibly only 3 numbers after the decimal places, because we are dealing with liters, right? So this becomes my answer.